Get that out of there. It's beautiful. It's in a Ziploc baggie.
What?
It's refurbished, that's why. Refurbished is cheaper. Get refurbished.
What brand is it?
What brand is it? GFX. No, it's Logitech GFX. Oh, it's beautiful! Two bubbles!
You scared the shit out of me.
It's got that USB port adapter thing. So it's the ports plus the USB adapter. That'll work great on my monitor that's right here. That's got 4 extra USB things. And I have another monitor right there. It's a TV with my light lamp thing. Wow, that's good white balance. Okay, and I'm in auto, but well, whatever. This is my computer. As you can see, it's trippy right now, and everything. So I'm gonna be plugging this into here, and then everything else is gonna go through there. It's gonna be a hassle because this is gotta be plugged into my computer all the time, which is awesome. So, refurbished. This is amazing. Brand new. Don't want to ruin this though, because my thing only has the headset thing. Oh, this is awesome. It's adjustable. How about that? It's got nice like threaded cord, so it's like the weave around the cord that keeps it longer, and I'm able to turn my mic on and off and turn the volume up through this, which is cool. It's got a really long cord. I ordered this because my friend had it, and I'm like, wow, that's so cool. And it's like, yeah, man, it's cheap. It's pretty good. So I literally ordered the same thing to make sure that I wasn't being ripped off or anything, because my mom's paranoid about me ordering stuff online. So yeah, it's got a really long cord. I'm going to have to redo that again. Super long cord. Longest cord in the world. Longest cord, okay, yep, longest cord in the world. So super long cord. It is 7.1 audio, and it is HD. I'll put that on later. This is awesome. I love it. All right. Now for this guy. Let's actually unplug my keyboard right now so I can plug in the mouse that I got. So, elegant style, high precision, rapid response, ergonomic office and gaming mouse. Office. Excuse for a really cool mouse. Anti-skid wheel. Use metal encoder. This good wheel, I think that's something. Whoa! It should tell me how to turn the colors. This is $15. This was $50 refurbished, and it's 75 brand new. This is my gaming. Oh, this thing's awesome. This thing's huge. I thought it was gonna be the small dicky thing I saw on that video. All right, so take that sticker off. It's beautiful. So just gonna put that on that box. So this is a gaming mouse. It's got the same kind of cord, which is awesome. It's a little bunched up, so I'm going to... It's got a USB end with a filter. These things are filters for data. These things help protect your stuff from lagging when it's being put in. The extra long thing helps the cord from being frayed at its source. This thing has LED lights that you can switch the colors with. It's got a DPI button. It's got a scroll wheel. This thing has its normal clicks. It's got 2 reprogrammable buttons. It's got another reprogrammable button, and it is LED. It's an optical mouse for gaming or the office. Let me just get my art book that I put all my shit on for testing. Let's test how it works. It should tell me exactly how to, once it goes in my USB port, this should feel good for it. And it's turning on. Sick. So, right here, ooh, that's a little touchy for me. Okay, right now it's blinking for its light. Should be installing the drivers. So you can change the color by pressing the DPI button.